What if I told you that plastic water bottle you were about to throw away can turn into a humidifier? You fill any regular bottle with water, flip it upside down, plugged in with this mini portable USB humidifier, and you'll have instant mist. It pulls water directly from the bottle and releases a steady stream of cool vapor into the air. This means cleaner air while you work, sleep, or even drive. And since the bottle is the tank, you can choose the size. Traditional humidifiers can grow bacteria if not cleaned properly. But with this, you just swap the bottle.